answer that, let's head right over to Chief Meteorologist Alana Brophy. Alana.
Well, strong storms already out there with a new severe thunderstorm warning. We're starting with a live look from Tooele County on the southern end of the county near Dugway. We've actually just seen a storm develop, packing winds up to 70 miles per hour. That's why a new severe thunderstorm warning is posted. You can see on Storm Tracker radar, we're peppering that activity throughout the state. As we zoom in, this is going to impact Knowles, Utah, as well as Dugway. Lots of lightning embedded there and the potential for some heavy rain as this continues to track to the east. So Tooele County now under the severe thunderstorm warning until 5:30, and we know that there will be gusty winds ahead of that as it continues to move east. Not the only area dealing with storms. Shot from St. George, day lightning bolt there caught by Brody, because we have seen storms moving through portions of Washington and Iron County, and we had a flash flood warning near Grand Staircase. Taking a look at that activity, that Grand Staircase view has cleared, but this was over SR 12. Flash flood potential probable. It increased today because of the amount of moisture that we have out there. This holds until tonight and doesn't go away as we roll into tomorrow. So much so that we've got a new flood alert out there. This is a flood watch going into effect for tomorrow afternoon. It is going to hold. We know that a weak disturbance could trigger some storms. Where and when? I'll answer coming up in my full forecast. Glenn, Emily, over to you.